On ethical and moral ground, BJP loses. BJP has entered into an unethical practice by doing so. This is the first point. This will have no impact whatsoever on BJD. BJD is very, very strong at grassroots level. Your question is in three parts. First is ethical and moral. Second part is political. And the third one is emotional. Because we lost our beloved MLA Rajendra Bhai Dholkia, who was the ex-minister. He won from Nuapada Assembly constituency for 4 times. He was made a cabinet minister by BJD, by Honorable Naveen Patnaik ji. And he had full faith on our leader Naveen ji. But unfortunately, his son, so-called his son, not his biological son, but a member of his extended family, has now joined Bharatiya Janata Party. On ethical and moral ground, BJP loses. BJP has entered into an unethical practice by doing so. This is the first point. Second is political. This will have no impact whatsoever on BJD. BJD is very, very strong at grassroots level. If you see Kalahandi parliamentary segment, we won 5 assemblies out of the 7. One is won by Congress and the other, only one seat, Dharamgarh, is won by BJP. So politically, BJP stands no chance because ethically and morally they are down, and politically also they are not so strong. During the last election, BJP was in the 3rd place and the independent candidate was in a 2nd place. So what I feel is politically they are not going to gain any mileage out of it. Third is the social factor or the emotional factor. Rajendra Bhai Dholkia was more a social worker. He was blessed by the people. No one could defeat him. He was a very, very down-to-earth, grassroots level leader. And he was holding BJD together. So after his demise, sad demise, his son, Jay Dholkia, he promised that he believes in the leadership of Honorable Naveen Patnaik ji and with the BJD. He moved around with BJD. He promised to be part of the elections from BJD. But unfortunately, what I believe that now that he has joined BJP, it has been totally an unethical practice, and I believe there is strong political corruption. He was highly motivated by, I think, the corruption practices by the BJP. They have done it earlier also. They have done this horse trading earlier also in our Rajya Sabha. And they have posed 2 of our MPs who were from BJD. So emotionally and socially also BJP will lose grounds, because anyone who is attached to Rajendra Bhai Dholkia is attached to BJD, and we have strong candidates from BJD. BJP didn't have any candidate, that's why they took Jay Dholkia from BJD to BJP, but BJD has got enough grassroots level leadership and will definitely select a good candidate from BJD to fight against BJP and Congress. BJP and Congress will stand no chance. People of Nuapada have voted for BJD time and again, and I strongly feel this election we are going to fight tooth and nail to bring back the lost glory, and Naveen Patnaik ji will emerge as the most lovable